Hi, and thank you for your interest in National Instruments data acquisition. My name is Brett, and I'm the product manager for Compact DAQ. Compact DAQ is a USB-based, rugged, portable measurement system that was designed specifically for taking a variety of sensor types and measuring them in one single instrument. Measurements are made through a variety of C-Series modules, such as the one I have here. The C-Series module is inserted into the chassis, and with over 50 different measurement modules available, you can customize your chassis to fit your specific I/O and channel count needs. Now for chassis, you can see that we've got the 8-slot version, the CDAC 9178, complete with built-in BNC triggers. Or, for an even smaller form factor, we have the 4-slot version, the CDAC 9174. Now let's take a closer look at the modules. With over 50 C-Series modules available for measurements ranging from low-speed thermocouple to load, pressure, torque, strain, all the way up to high-speed sound and vibration, there's a module and mix of modules that will fit your application need. Now if we take a look at a couple of different connector types, you can see on this module there are 4 BNC connectors. This module was designed to measure accelerometers and microphones. So you can take your accelerometer or your microphone, plug it directly into the module, insert the module into a chassis, and now you're streaming high-speed data over the USB bus back to your PC. Another connector variant would be this high-density spring terminal connector. This allows you to take 32 different voltage measurements in one module. And because the connector block is built in, there's no need for a cable and a terminal block to make your signal connections. It's all contained in one module. And again, with over 50 modules available, you can customize your individual system for your channel count need. And in the future, to grow your system, it's as easy as adding more modules. Now to learn more about Compact DAQ, or to see how to program it in software, please see our follow-on videos and the application-specific module videos. Or visit us at our webpage at ni.com/CompactDAQ.